Oh, we made it to the moon!
Yay!
Oh, wow, what a journey!
Mr. How are you? How do you feel in the moon?
Oh, man, I feel weightless. It's amazing. Although I can't seem to move right now.
Wow! Look at the Earth. Wow! Mira la Tierra. Qué vista más bonita.
It's beautiful.
Yes. It's better than being in the classroom, right?
Ah, yes. I feel so weightless. Check this out, Mr. Perez. Whoa!
Whoa! Look at me.
Whoa.
No gravity.
Yeah,
Whoa.
this is cool.
Yes, there is gravity, but less. I can feel some gravity.
Mr. Perez, how far do you think we are from planet Earth?
I don't know, but I want to go back to the Earth. I'm tired of traveling.
You know what I found
Cansado.
out? I found out there are no bananas here. I'm very hungry.
No bananas?
No bananas.
There are no muffin either. I don't want to be here.
Has anyone seen some bananas?
Have anyone seen some muffins?
Oh, Mr. Perez, how do we get back to planet Earth?
I don't know. I'm going to say
easy.
the rocket, but you know, I have a question.
What?
Before going into the rocket,
What is your question?
how many miles now to go back to the Earth?
Oh, I don't know. It's a very, very long distance. Ow, easy. Don't hit me with your sword. That's sharp.
When I have question that I don't know to answer, I get mad.
Mr. Perez, I think it's around 238,000 miles. I don't think I can jump that far.
I think there are like 300 million of miles. So now how we can configure the rocket if we don't? So what can we do?
Oh, I have an idea. Let's go into our spaceship and call 2 excellent teachers down on planet Earth.
Yes, I like your idea.
Okay.
Let's do that.
Climb up the ladder.
Woo!
Ow, that hurt. Sharp.
Mr. Byrne.
That's why, people of America, I want to tell you today.
Sorry,
that
Odin.
people-
Sorry, Odin. Mr. Byrne, we have an important call from the moon.
What's going on?
I don't know. It's very important. Say that I need to talk to the president of the 4th grade teachers.
What can I help you with? Oh, I see. There's a major problem. We can help.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué está pasando?
It sounds like... Okay, I understand.
¿Qué pasa?
There's a big problem.
Tell me.
We need to look at large numbers, and it sounds like we need to understand some estimation rounding.
Necesitamos entender números grandes y hacer
Very big,
estimaciones.
very big.
¿Para qué?
Well, there's 2 people in outer space that needs our help to get back to Earth.
They need to configure, to set up the rocket, to come back. That's what they said.
That's it.
I don't understand English very well, Mr. Byrne. Okay, I have a computer here.
Yes.
Can we find the distance from the moon? Oh,
Yes, there it is, Mr. Perez. Distance from the Earth to Moon. Kilometers. What is that?
I will tell you
Okay,
later.
let's go here. 238,857 miles.
But they are going to get confused with that number. It's very accurate for them.
That's
You
true.
think, how can they remember all the digits? I think we have to round.
We're definitely going to have to do some rounding. I'm guessing to the 100,000s place.
100,000? Okay.
Yes.
So can you refresh my memory with that? Let's take it to the board.
Let's take it to the board.
Oh, vamos a llevarlo a la pizarra. Tenemos que redondear el número.
This is a different board.
So, Mr. Byrne,
Tell me.
exact number
Exact.
is... You want miles, of course.
I want miles.
Okay.
I'm ready.
238,857.
Okay.
Okay. 238,857 millas. Okay.
Yes.
But ellos no van a poder entender ese número. It's too much digits. They need a round number.
Okay, this is kind of like ballpark, but rounding, and this is definitely a large number. So, I don't think it makes sense to round to the nearest 100, do you?
Now, for such a big distance, I think we can round even more.
I
We
agree.
need less accurate.
I think what we need to do, Mr. Perez, is round definitely to the nearest 100,000.
Vamos a redondear a los cientos de miles. Vale, recuerdo. I think you told me that make a line or a sign to remember. Okay.
That's
so-
correct. Let's find the digit we want to round to. In this case, 100,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s.
Tenemos que encontrar el número que queremos redondear. Es unidades, decenas, centenas, unidades de millar, decenas de millar, centenas de millar. Mr. Byrne, I have
Yeah.
to tell you something.
What?
They are still on the phone, and the phone call is going to be very expensive for them.
Oh,
So
that's
we
good.
have to hurry.
Okay. So, we have to look to our neighbor. In this case, our neighbor to the right is a 3.
Okay.
Correct?
Neighbor,
Okay.
el vecino de la derecha.
I like to put a house around him.
Ah, una casa,
Yeah.
ya recuerdo.
Because we're
Una
neighbors.
casa.
We're neighbors.
Neighbors, yes.
If our neighbor is 5 or above,
Ajá.
we give it a shove up. But
Ah.
it's not. It's a 3.
It's a 3. So we leave it rest.
That's 4 or below,
Uh-huh.
just lay it low.
Okay.
Let it rest.
Let it rest.
Okay.
Okay, I understand.
Okay. So,
Okay, you don't get along with your neighbor, right? Because you steal his food. I know that.
no.
Yes.
So, we just, what do we do?
I think now you have to write zeros, donuts.
That's right.
Okay, so you leave the 2 like that. Tú dejas
The
el
2
dos.
stays the
Okay.
same.
And now donuts.
The rest are just zeros.
Ahora entiendo. Mr. Byrne,
Yes,
tienes que llamar rápido.
200,000 miles is definitely a better estimate. What can I help you with?
Okay,
Oh,
there, on the phone. Tell them.
okay. We have some data for you. Instead of 238,857, we're going to round to the nearest 100, and it's 200,000 miles. That'll get you safely back to planet Earth. Yep.
Say goodbye. Dile adiós
Okay.
de mi parte.
Sounds good. All right, goodbye and good luck. All right, Mr. Prince.
Adiós y buena suerte. Adiós.
Oh man. Okay. I hope they get back to Earth. But 4th graders,
Chicos de cuarto grado.
we're going to be looking at rounding to the nearest 100,000, 10,000, 1,000. We're going to become rounding experts. So
Vamos a estar redondeando a los cientos de miles, a números grandes esta vez. Ya sabéis redondear, pero esta vez van a ser large numbers.
grande.
Mr. Byrne, do you know something? You were giving a meeting. Your audience is waiting for you.
Oh, I better get back to my presentation.
Okay.
Okay. And like I was saying, the United States of America is a strong and proud country. And we have great teachers like Senor Perez and Senor Burt. But I'll continue this tomorrow.
Whoa!